Over 300 students at the Gambia College have been denied entry into their classrooms for not paying their tuition fees. The students on Friday were seen standing under their classroom corridors for the entire day, forcing others to go home after a decision was taken by the college administration to deny them their lessons for not paying tuition fees. A number of students has been able to pay their tuition fees due to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic in the country. The country's economy has nosedived because of the effects of the coronavirus, as the small nation expects an estimated 20% decline in revenue. Sulayman Bojang, a student at the Department of Agriculture, told The Point that many of the affected students came from poor family backgrounds. He said most of them find it difficult to afford $10,000 per year tuition fee, stating that the issue of denying them entry into classrooms has been ongoing for a week. Does the government know about this? The Gambia College during Jammeh's regime was free and students were liable to stipend on a monthly basis, which was stopped in 2017. The Gambia's only college students are battling on their tuition fees to sit to their exams. Students under the School of Education were deducted an amount of $100 from their stipends monthly from the year 2014 to 2018. The deduction was done to help the students upon completion of the academic journey, upon which they are mostly confronted with financial constraints before they are finally and systematically enrolled into the payment scheme of Ministry of Basic and Senior Education as qualified teachers. These monies initially were saved at Gambia Teachers Union Cooperative Credit Union from 2011 to 2014. And thanks to them, he said, during those days, the purpose of the deduction was instrumental and indeed saving its primary objective, which was to financially prepare the students for their newly profession, which may battle with early pay days due to delay in attestations from the Gambia College. However, the purpose of the deduction has been defeated when the Gambia College administration diverted the funds from students' accounts and later enforced students to either open an account with Trust Bank or GT Bank for them to still benefit the monies being deducted from their stipends or lose it in totality. This was done by almost every student in 2015 and 2016 academic year. But up to date, we as ex-students cannot access those ghost accounts, nor the $100 which has been deducted, neither the door to knock to make enquiry. Finally, $100 individually might be small amounts of cash, but collectively, with an approximate number of 4,000 students for a period of 4 years, will be a huge amount which can even bail out some of our brothers and sisters currently battling with scholarships or tuition fee to pursue their courses in the Gambia College. This should not be the period of denying students to have classes. We all know how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected many of our financial avenues as families. I am afraid that some of the students might not even be able to settle half of their diploma and certificate level tuition fees, which can be $12,000 per student. Tamsil Sarah, member of the College Students Union, said they have been engaging the college administration on how best to come up with strategies to follow those affected students, attend their classes and sit their exams. However, he admitted that this seems impossible given the time frame in which documents have to be signed with further explanations. To shed light on this story, follow Block TV Gambia while we bring you trending issues that are happening around you. For Block TV News, I am Amina Sawane.